Sites to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Albany, Smithville, Chuckey, Stocks, Forester, Palmyra, Century, Jordan Place, Starksville, Pine Crossroads, Scutchins, Armena, Miami, Philima, and Mossy Dell.